So today we're going to Marshall's or TJ Maxx, one of those, and we're gonna try to find slime supplies so we can make slime. So I'm really excited for that, and if you guys are too, then let's get going. Okay, so we're here at TJ Maxx, and let's try to find some slime supplies. Okay, I'm gonna go to toy aisle. Okay, so the first one I got was the Nickelodeon Flying Kit, which I don't know if I'm going to take that one because I think it works. But then I found this one. Slime Lab. And then I found that one. So those are the ones I'm taking for right now, so let's go test them out. Okay guys, so I bought this slime lab thingy, and I also got the other one, but my mom has it in her cart. I also bought some wrapping paper because this is what I use for my background of the videos. I bought this rainbow one with unicorn and cupcakes. Okay guys, so I'm back from TJ Maxx, and I've actually really had so much fun going around TJ Maxx and looking for slime supplies, even though there was none. There was a lot of kids though, so I decided to pick two of those up, and one of the first ones I picked up was the original super cool slime lab, and I'm really excited because this says it has everything you need to make your own super cool slime. I don't know what that means, but... So the next one I picked up was this DIY fluffy slime, and this one looks really cool because it has the little fluffy slime dispenser, if you want to call it like that, and this has the little testing tubes, has little plates and little spoons, so who's not excited for that, you know? So I think we should get started with this video. So here's the first slime kit, you guys. So as you can see, this is a slime lab one, so let's get opening it and see what's inside. So the first thing I pull out is this little container that I think is to hold the slime with. So there's also another container, and that's really good because it's probably going to make a lot of slime. There's a big bag of things here, so let's see if there's something else. There's instructions. There's one more container. So the first thing they asked us to do is fill this little cup to 50 milliliters, and then we're going to add the slime booster, which is basically the clear glue, and then we're going to mix that together. But first I added the toxic green food coloring or coloring. I don't think this is edible. So yeah, I just added a whole bunch of that because this was like basically water and acrylic paint. So basically I mixed that together, and then after that I made the borax solution, which is 25 milliliters of water, and then I added a little teaspoon of the borax. So then after that I mixed that together and added the whole solution into the slime container. So once that's ready, it turned out like this. This is basically the slime that is made. It's like a jiggly slime, but it's not stretchy at all. I honestly don't recommend buying this kit unless you like this type of slime. But other than that, it's a horrible slime in my opinion. The other slime that I made was a whole bottle of glue and just half of the amount of water I added, and this was the one. I also added the blue food coloring and some glitter. The last slime I made, it was all just glue and the borax solution, and I added the glow in the dark pigment, and this is probably one of my favorite ones because look how much it glows. Okay, you guys, so this next one is this pink fluffy slime kit. I don't know why I just added the word pink, but it just says DIY fluffy slime kit, and I'm really excited because this one I don't have to make the activator. It comes with the activator already made, as you can see right there. So yeah, let's get open. So this kit comes with 2 glues, 1 little container, and it also comes with the foam, what's it called, the dispenser, and it comes with 2 contact lens solutions, and it comes with a bowl and a spoon. So that's basically all I need to make my fluffy slime. So this kit does come with the instructions, but I'm not going to be following the instructions because I think we all know how to make fluffy slime. You just add the glue, the shaving cream, and the solution, and that's technically just it. The downside to this kit is that it doesn't come with coloring, so it's gonna have to be the color of the glue or the shaving cream. So yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna be adding is the clear glue because it comes with clear glue. I don't know why all these kits be coming with the clear glue. Clear glue is probably one of my worst enemies. So once I've added the clear glue, I'm gonna be adding some of the fluffy slime foam, and I think we just okay. Oh, there you go. Okay. Okay, so I finally got it to come out, and it's not foam. It's legit like hand soap. Okay, that's enough. So now we're just gonna mix it because I doubt anything's gonna happen to the fluffy thing. So I can see where they were headed with this foam thingy, but it did not work. It was supposed to be like, I don't know, it was supposed to be like foam, like shaving cream, but that did not happen. So I don't get why they named this a fluffy slime if it's not even fluffy. It's just a normal slime with hand soap. So other than that, I don't know about this kit, so I'm gonna activate it and see what it does. So it does come with 2 of these little activator bottles, so I'm gonna use one of them and I'm gonna see how the slime texture turns out. So I'm gonna be adding it slowly, and yeah, I'm gonna mix it. So here's the finished product. So after I did mix it in a little bit, it did become a bit fluffy just because it is soap, and soap does become fluffy when you mix it a lot. But other than that, it's not as fluffy as I want it to be. Like if you bought normal supplies like shaving cream and glue and an activator, it wouldn't be like that. It's just a little bit bubbly, if you know what I mean. But other than that, this kit is really good. It's better than the other kit actually, except it doesn't come with food coloring or any of that glow in the dark stuff. But yeah, if you guys want to go try this, then go to your local TJ Maxx and go buy this. But other than that, I would just buy normal slime supplies. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, then go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you guys want me to go to like a walk or something like that, leave down in